What's going on, family? I am done with the welding skid. I got my lifter knives on. I got them welded down. Got everything assembled like I wanted. I got my little handle. I did all my little modifications. And now it's basically ready to go get some money. And it's like I say, it's not a lot. It's just to keep your equipment organized and set up so that way you can be able to stay more mobile. Pick this up with a crane or with a forklift, and we can be able to get money like anywhere. And I also came up with a new idea too, which I'm gonna share with you later about how to brace it in your truck if you renting the truck. Because you know, if we renting the truck or having to go get something to use, we can't just screw down in the bed if you want to keep it stationary in one spot. I come up with a smooth idea. I'm gonna have to make it and fabricate it, and then I'll be showing you. So you probably give me like a week or so to work on it, and then I can be able to show you what I got. But I came up with a smooth little idea though, so that's what I'm doing, man. Like I say, this here is considered the gold package. It's together, ready to make money. That's why I call it the gold package, because at first you was getting crumbs, now you're getting gold. Hog on.